My name is Rob Couzens, and I'm a competitive boxer who has represented Team Canada on the world stage. With over 15 years of experience and 120 fights under my belt, I know what it takes to win. I just want you to move, feel free, feel the benefits, go outside and move, get some fresh air. Just do this, do anything. If you know me, I'm crazy. I'm doing weird things all the time at the gym. I get the looks a lot of times because I'm doing stupid things that I know are beneficial for me from what I've learned from others, or maybe that's just how I feel like I want to move right now. Things like this, like my Romanian coach teaches me doing this vigorously. What am I doing? You don't know what I'm doing, but I'm moving, and this is what works for me, and this is what I like. There's no reason I should feel ashamed. Hey everyone, Robert Couzens here, just checking in, doing a little stretch, thought I'd chat with you guys. I am the boxing instructor for Boxing Foundations by NM, and I'm super excited about this program. I really want you guys to all check it out or have a chance to check it out. I have a lot of new things in there that you might have never tried even if you've boxed for a long time, and if you've never boxed, then you're in for a friggin' treat. The reason I'm really excited about this program and the partnership I have with NM and the headline of movement and just getting people going, getting life going, especially at a time that we're in right now, I just hope that people feel like they're free to learn and do new things and different things, because you don't know what you don't know, and you might think that boxing is not what you'd ever want to do or what you're ever going to do, but you don't know things until you try, like parents say all the time, right? So I want people to feel like there's no reason that you can't try and maybe fall in love with the sport, or maybe just feel like I could do this once a week, I could do this 1 hour a week. Like, it doesn't matter. You don't understand the benefit that can come from any one of these programs that us instructors are offering now, and so I really encourage everyone to feel like they can come in with open arms. Let's start with our warm-up. Our warm-up will use hip rotations, boxing punches, and have a calisthenic routine. An aspect that I touch upon in the program is breathing. That's a huge part of an extension of boxing for me, is breathing. Honestly, breathing is everything next to movement, and they go together hand in hand. Breathing for me is something that's honestly changed my life in the way that I deal with a lot of issues in life, or a lot of scenarios that I encounter or have put myself in or stumble upon. Boxing translates to life in so many ways. Of course, so many sports do, and almost all these programs will. There's a lot you can gain from this program, even if it's just the foundations program. When you get to the final rounds, when you get to the final piece of the actual program, it's a bit more leveled up. Maybe you don't even feel comfortable going there, and that's okay, but that's a part of the process. You're building your way up. Start at the first few lessons, and then when you feel comfortable, you're moving forward, and next thing you know, it's all come together, and you understand how to once again translate that into real life. It'll all make sense when you do it, trust me.